A Young diagram is an arrangement of boxes in rows and columns. So, for example, like this. Something like this is not allowed. The boxes have to be left, the rows have to be left justified. So we cannot continue here. We have to have something here. So this is okay. This is a nice Young diagram. This one is also a nice Young diagram. Also like this, it would be a Young diagram, or this would be a Young diagram. So let's stick with this one. So these are Young diagrams. And we can turn Young diagrams into Young tableau by writing numbers into the boxes. So let's see what numbers we have here. 5, 2. There's a rule. The numbers have to be non-increasing in rows. So let's swap them here. They must not increase. They have to be, the numbers have to be non-decreasing. Non-decreasing, that's what I arranged here. They have to be increasing in columns. And this is also not allowed in a column, but we can do it like this. So now they are increasing in columns. Do we have here 1? 1 should go up here maybe, like this. Okay, what else? Another 1. The 1 could go here. And then let's put the 2 here. There's a 6. And what's that? Maybe a 9. So now this is a nice Young tableau. The numbers increase in columns and they do not decrease in rows.